Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be back with you for another video. Today we're going to talk about social media marketing and the powerful tool of sentiment analysis. As you know, social media is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It's a great way to connect with your audience, promote your products or services, and build relationships with potential customers. But with so many businesses on social media, it can be hard to stand out from the crowd. That's where sentiment analysis comes in. Sentiment analysis is a way to understand how people feel about your brand, products, or services by listening to what they're saying online. This kind of insight is incredibly valuable because it can help you make better solutions, improve customer experiences, and create content that truly connects. To use sentiment analysis, you'll need a tool or software that can scan social media data for you. These tools are like digital detectives, analyzing text from social media posts and comments to figure out if the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. But here's the thing, you'll want to be strategic about how you use sentiment analysis. Don't just track every single mention of your brand. Instead, focus on tracking specific keywords that are relevant to your industry or target audience. For example, if you're a clothing company, you might want to track keywords like fashion, style, and trends. Once you have a good understanding of the sentiment surrounding your brand, you can start to use the information to improve your social media marketing strategy. For example, if you're seeing a lot of positive feedback about a particular product, you can create more content that showcases that product. Or if you're seeing some negative feedback about a certain issue, you can address it head on and show your customers that you're listening. Here are a few specific examples of how you can use sentiment analysis to improve your social media marketing. First, product development. Use sentiment analysis to identify popular features and trends in your industry. This information can help you develop new products or services that your customers will love. Second is content marketing. Use sentiment analysis to understand what kind of content your audience is interested in. This information can help you create more engaging and informative content that will resonate with your followers. And lastly, customer service. Use sentiment analysis to identify and address customer concerns. This shows your customers that you're listening to them and that you're committed to providing them with a great experience. And that's it! You now know how to use sentiment analysis to level up your social media marketing. It's all about getting to know your audience on a deeper level and delivering what they need. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use sentiment analysis in social media marketing. See you in my next video.